Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Olson and I'm a swine extension specialist at the Iowa Pork Industry Center. Most likely you've heard of African swine fever, but have you heard of Secure Pork Supply? We'd like to help you understand what Secure Pork Supply is and why it's important to you as a pork producer. Put simply, Secure Pork Supply is a plan to help producers continue their businesses if a foreign animal disease outbreak occurs in the United States. If there were to be an outbreak of any of these 3 foreign animal diseases in the United States, state and federal officials would utilize the guidance in the USDA's response plans for these diseases. These plans provide guidance for setting up control areas around farms with animals that test positive for one of these diseases. Within a control area, movement of animals, semen, feed, and manure will be restricted. Let's use an outbreak of African swine fever as an example. If there is a farm with a confirmed case of African swine fever, a designated control area will be set up around that farm. Imagine that your farm is located within that control area. Your animals are not infected with African swine fever, but you will be affected by the movement restriction. What happens if you need to move your pigs to the packing plant? Or if you need to move wean pigs off of your farm? Or if you need feed delivered to your farm? You would need a movement permit. This is where Secure Pork Supply can help. The SPS plan provides guidance for keeping movement records, enhancing your farm's biosecurity, and disease monitoring. Completing an SPS plan before an outbreak can help put your farm in a better position to request a movement permit and continue your business if you are in a control area during an outbreak. Enhancing your farm's biosecurity with the guidelines in the Secure Pork Supply Plan can also benefit your farm by reducing outbreaks of diseases that are already prevalent, such as PRRS, PEDV, or influenza. The Iowa Pork Industry Center wants to help you prepare by helping you understand what Secure Pork Supply is and what you can do on your farm to prepare before a foreign animal disease occurs. For more information about how we can help, visit our website at www.ipic.iastate.edu.